over Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's weight loss, the Delhi Raj Niwas has now written a letter to Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar regarding Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's health status. With the Delhi LG, VK Saxena expressed concern and urged the Chief Minister to follow the given diet, the prescribed diet. And in his letter, the LG mentions that there have been instances of willful low-calorie intake by the Chief Minister, even though enough home-cooked food was being provided to him. The LG also contends and alleges that the Chief Minister did not consume the prescribed diet and his weight loss was only because he was consuming calorie deficit food. Let's break down as far as when it comes to this letter that is now concerned, which has now been written to the Chief Secretary. In fact, the claims that have now been made on part of the Delhi Lieutenant Governor that despite when it comes to home-cooked meals being one of the requests that was made by Arvind Kejriwal's counsel to court, that also being provided because Arvind Kejriwal has contended that he is severely diabetic and has to take insulin to keep his blood sugar in check. However, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, they have been raising the issue that his health has deteriorated ever since he was arrested on part of the investigative agency. Let me go across to Meenakshi now. What does this letter say by the LG, Meenakshi?
Well, Amita, yes, sir, we have this letter by the LG. What does the letter say? Let's take a look at that. What the LG basically has to say. Now, basically, these are the claims which have been made by the Delhi LG in the letter which you were talking about, Amita. Claim number 1, instances of willful low-calorie intake. So, the first claim by the LG is that Kejriwal is deliberately not consuming enough calories, thus leading to his weight loss. Claim number 2, what does the Delhi LG say? In this particular letter which he has written to the Chief Secretary, some damning allegations which have been made. Claim number 2, enough home-cooked food is given but he's still not taking it. Claim number 3, CM did not consume the prescribed diet. The diet which was given to the Chief Minister, he didn't stick to it, is the claim. Claim number 4, weight loss due to low-calorie intake. He's not consuming enough calories as prescribed and that is what is leading to the weight loss. And claim number 5, intake of prescribed medical diet and medicines. Another big claim was related to the insulin as well. Let's take a look at that claim as well. Basically, the LG saying that he is sometimes refusing insulin, not taking enough calories as is being prescribed, and which is what is leading to the weight loss. Claims, obviously, allegations, obviously, which have been denied by the Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you for that. This is as far as the letter that has now been penned by the Lieutenant Governor to the Chief Secretary, with the Aam Aadmi Party also levelling serious allegations against the BJP and the LG, claiming a conspiracy to kill Delhi Chief Minister. Aam Aadmi Party also alleged that Kejriwal's letter to the Chief Secretary was just a bid to cover BJP's conspiracy. As far as the Lieutenant Governor who's written up the letter, dismissing all of the claims, the BJP alleges that Kejriwal's weight loss tactics have now been exposed as he is deliberately eating low-calorie diet on purpose to lose weight and to show that his health is deteriorating while being behind bars.
It is a very serious matter and our Prime Minister and Government of India should take care of him. He is the Chief Minister of Delhi and for a long time he is behind the bars. So I do not know exactly what are the reasons, but there should be no action full of revenge at all. So it is the responsibility of present government to convince him or take care of him.
अरविंद केजरीवाल शराब घोटाले के मास्टरमाइंड, उनके एक और षड्यंत्र का पर्दाफाश हुआ है। तिहाड़ जेल के सुपरिटेंडेंट की चिट्ठी अब सार्वजनिक हो चुकी है। इसमें स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिन्हें घर का भोजन दिया जाता है माननीय न्यायालय के निर्देश के द्वारा, वो जानबूझकर लो कैलोरी फूड ले रहे हैं, खाने की मात्रा कम कर रहे हैं। 6 जून से 13 जुलाई के बीच लगातार अपनी डाइट को कम कर रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से वजन कम हो जाए और वो सहानुभूति न्यायालय के सामने रख सकें कि मुझे तो बेल चाहिए। और तो और इंसुलिन अब जेल में मिल रही है, लेने से मना कर दिया कि किसी तरह से मेरी तबीयत खराब है। इस तरह का षड्यंत्र तो एक अपराधी जो बहुत ही मास्टरमाइंड है वो रच सकता है, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल तिहाड़ जेल में रच रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से अपनी खराब सेहत का बहाना लेकर मुझे बेल मिल जाए।
Well, Shivani is with us right now. Shivani, good afternoon. As far as the war of words is concerned, the Aam Aadmi Party continues to, however, maintain that there is a deliberate attempt as far as on the kill plot of Arvind Kejriwal that is being maintained while he is behind bars.
Amita, this has been happening since Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has been put behind bars, and the Aam Aadmi Party has been claiming that Arvind Kejriwal's health is deteriorating, and there have been several clarifications that have come from the Tihar jail also regarding this, regarding the health of Arvind Kejriwal. They have put out the figures, they have put out the dates, and they have also said that Arvind Kejriwal's weight has not deteriorated. But yes, now LG has written a letter to the Chief Secretary. He claims that whatever is happening is intentional on the part of Arvind Kejriwal. He wants to gain sympathy, and he's not taking appropriate calories. He's not taking the medicines that have been prescribed for him, and he is intentionally taking a low-calorie diet because he wants to show that his weight is deteriorating so that a blame can be put on the jail authorities and on the administration. So he has also said in this letter, Amita, that it must be made sure by the jail authorities that Arvind Kejriwal takes proper diet. He takes proper medicines that have been prescribed to him. Remember, Amita, when Arvind Kejriwal had gone to Tihar jail, there were claims from the Aam Aadmi Party that he was not being provided insulin because he is a type 2 diabetes patient. But now everything is being given to him. But the letter of the LG is now pointing out that he is not taking these prescribed medicines, and he's taking intentionally he's taking low-calorie food so that he can show that actually his weight is deteriorating. And a lot of comments and reactions we've already heard from the BJP also on this Arvind Kejriwal's health inside the jail.
Right, but as far as the concerns that are now being raised is over his health, reactions, however, coming in both sides from the BJP and also from the Aam Aadmi Party. Shivani, thank you very much for the moment.